Hey, this is Erica with WTI, and as a dog owner and a dog walker, I know how important it is for the dogs in my care to stay hydrated. And that's why I love using the Kurgo 2-in-1 water bottle. I love using this water bottle because it has a built-in water bowl. I don't have to bring a separate water bowl with me for the dogs. So it's really handy to have. The water bowl is designed for your dog's snout so they can easily drink water out of it. I also really like that it has a handle on the top so I can easily carry it with me on our walks. This is a 750 milliliter water bottle, so it's gonna hold quite a bit of water, and I love things that are dishwasher safe, and this water bottle is dishwasher safe. As you can see, it's a well-used water bottle. I use it all the time for my dogs, and it's really great to use for traveling, for hiking, any outdoor activities that you're doing with your dog. I really like it, and I think that you're gonna like using it too, and that's my point of view.